Welcome to the Panda Security product snippet for Panda Cloud Systems Management. Today we are going to look at adding and remoting devices, monitoring devices, and reporting. Let's begin. We will begin the installation process by accessing the site that we wish to assign our devices to. New consoles, by default, are provided with a single home site, but you can add new sites as needed. Today we will look at how to install the Systems Management Agent on Windows, Apple, Linux, and mobile devices. The install dialog will automatically recognize which type of device you are using and offer a direct download for that agent. Should you desire an installer for a different device, simply click on its icon in the New Device dialog box. On this screen, you have the option of emailing a download link to a single or multiple email addresses, or you can directly download the agent by clicking on the operating system icon at the top. Once this file has been downloaded, simply double-click on it to install. The install process is both simple and fast. Installing on mobile devices requires a few additional steps. We first need to access our COM store and find the component named Mobile Device Management. Select this component and choose Add to My Component Library. Once we have added this component to our component library, we can return to our site, click on New Device, and icons for both iOS and Android will now be present. Android installations require a simple download from the Google Play Store, an importing of an MDM file, all of which is included in the registration email. iOS devices require an Apple push certificate in order to complete the installation. Acquiring the certificate can be done by going to Setup and then Account Settings. Scroll to the bottom and follow the steps listed under Apple Push Certificate. Once this process is complete, you can return to your site, click on New Device, and choose the iOS option. The rest of the iOS process follows closely along with the Android experience.